vigilance is the price of liberty. A warm greeting to all the listeners. I'm our O.V. Vallabi of class 12B here to present my views on corruption and its remedy. My dear friends, corruption can be defined as the dishonest or unethical conduct by a person entrusted with the position of authority in order to attain benefit for oneself or to some other. It is a global phenomenon that affects all strata of the society in some way or the other. It undermines the political development, the economical development, the democracy, people's health, the environment and much more. It is therefore imperative that the people should be sensitized and motivated towards efforts for weeding out corruption. As Joe Biden rightly said, corruption is a cancer. Corruption is a cancer that eats away people's faith in democracy. A dark big monster that diminishes the instinct of creativity and innovation amongst the younger generation. As you all are aware of, there is an increasing concern about corruption, eroding all basic values of life. It has not only a negative effect in the social dynamics, but it has eroded the value system established in the country. It is therefore important that the youngsters, the younger generation who has a pivotal role in the development of the country, be motivated, be educated about the urgency to fight against such unethical practices. Now, what is vigilance awareness? Vigilance awareness means awareness about rights and duties of individuals in curbing corruption, both social and economic. It is a precaution to corruption by being aware of corruption. Nowadays, Vigilance Awareness Week is celebrated to create awareness amongst the people. Let me give a small example. If we are trying to cheat in the exam, we are thinking that we are really an intelligent guy, but we don't realize that we are leading a step towards an evil, corruption at a very individual level. We are not aware about the effects of our overwork that would lead to devastate the social and economic conditions of our country. Now a question may arise, why this corruption is compelling us to be more and more aware? Because this corruption is found to be one of the most damaging consequences of the poor governance system. It is characterized by both lack of transparency and accountability. In short, if corruption is a disease, then transparency should be the essential part of its treatment. My dear friends, this corruption lowers investment. This corruption hinders the economical growth and the human development. It is one of the major causes of poverty. As you all are aware of, poverty is the parent of revolution and crime. It is the worst form of violence. But we need to understand the sad reality. We must understand the sad reality that the opposite of poverty is not wealth. It's not wealth, my dear friends. The opposite of poverty is just enough. If we are finding a cheating anywhere, immediately we must lodge a complaint. But many of us think, what is the need in lodging a complaint? If we oversight a corruption, it would be repeated again and again, and later it would lead to a big scam. The main objective of Vigilance Awareness Week is to spread social awareness amongst people at large about the ill effects of corruption. The observance of Vigilance Awareness Week would commence with the integrity pledge taken by the public servants at ministries, departments, central public sector enterprises and all other organizations. Hence, vigilance awareness is required to check and identify the frauds and disorderliness. Though punishment and penal actions delivered quickly be an effective deterrence to corruption, a lot more may be achieved if the younger generation is motivated, is inspired to lead a life that combines both righteousness and honesty. I personally believe that getting together is the easy part. It's the staying together the toughest task. Let us get together, stay together and fight together against that evil corruption and make our nation free from corruption. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.